Hello friend, I am Nagaraj Madi. Welcome back to our Sarja English classes. Today we are going to learn the very good, nice topic that is remove to. You know the meaning of remove. Remove means to delete. Remove का मतलब होता है निकाल डालना. But which topic? Remove to. Now to understand this topic through this example we learn it. Now see. She is too beautiful to speak. Yes. Now see, there is a two, and now we are told that to remove two. We must remove this. Now, how can we turn this sentence? Basically, this is the simple sentence, and now by remove to, by using so that we are making this sentence complex sentence. Remember, yes, complex sentence. See how we change. First, remove it means इसको हम निकाल डालेंगे. Instead of we use so. Yes, we use so. Then write the sentence till the second two come. Now remove it, and instead of it we must change here three types of change. Which take here, yes, first that, yes, then subject means pronouns, and then cannot or could not. See, suppose she is too beautiful to speak. Now how can we change the sentence? Remove to. She is so beautiful that she cannot speak. Now when there is a present tense in sentence, use cannot. If there is a past tense, use could not. Now such types of sentence, this is we can call it is a complex sentence also. Yes, do you understand this? Suppose sometimes there is only single two. She is too beautiful, and you will ask here remove to. Now remove this and use here very. Use here very. Do you understand this? See. Yes. This is very important. While you remove the second two, use first that, then subject means pronouns. If here is a Raja, you can use here she. If here is Raju, you can here use he. If here is people, they. And then cannot or could not. If the sentence is in present tense, use cannot. If the sentence is in past tense, use could not. Okay. I hope you understand it. Hello. Hello. Now see this sentence. The pool was too dirty to swim. Such types of sentence is to some extent change from this sentence, because here the subject is a she in this sentence, and here the pool, and this is this type of subject. How we can use the subject here? Now it is necessary here we use one. Yes, she. The pool was so dirty that one could not swim. इसका मतलब ये है कि ऐसे सेंटेंस में कभी जब हमें सब्जेक्ट कौन है इसकी पहचान होनी चाहिए. वो सब्जेक्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग है या एनिमेट है या थिंग है, तो हमें ये यूज समझना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? पूल. बराबर. द पूल वॉज टू डर्टी टू स्विम. पूल का मतलब आपको तो पता होगा. पूल वॉज टू डर्टी. पूल इतना डर्टी है, नो वन कैन स्विम, वहां पे कोई भी नहीं, बराबर। तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया, द पूल वॉज सो डर्टी दैट, ये निकाल के हमने यहाँ पे दैट, यस, दैट वन could not. Why we use could not? Because here is the past tense, and so we use could not. The pool was so dirty that one could not swim. How do you understand it? Sometimes there are more than two. Yes. Suppose the sentence is Shahaji was too busy. Means Shahaji Maharaj was too busy to pay attention to the education of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. In this sentence there are 3 two. But remember, first two is very important. The first two, in the first two use so, second two use that, after that take the subject and then cannot or could not. Now do you understand this? Yes, this is the topic. I hope you like it, and this is very important for all of you. Okay, now I appeal to all of you to subscribe our channel. If you are new, subscribe our channel, like our videos, because your likes, your comments, your sharing, your subscription give me motivation to make more and more videos for you. Thank you.